I'm gonna give you a little behind the scenes of things that I do to my Jeep every single time I take it on the dirt. I'm a huge fan of air conditioning. Every Jeep I have always has a top on it, hot or cold. I'm always running my air conditioner or my heater. So in all my Jeeps and all my trucks, we always are changing cabin air filters. So if you don't know, a Jeep JK, Jeep Wrangler, Jeep JL, Jeep JT, they all have it. You have to run the cabin air filters. When you're out on the trail, you want to run cabin air filters. This way, when it's recirculating the air through the cab, it's getting filtered. You want a high quality filter. Mahle is the brand that you can buy from every auto parts store, and it's the only one we'll run. So come take a look, we'll get it installed. On a Jeep JK, the cabin air filters are located behind the glove box. So for me, it's super basic. We pull it out, 2 tongs on the side. For myself, I got a race radio in my glove box, so let it hang. So pull out the glove box. There's 2 tabs. And for me, reach your hand in there and you'll pull out the used ones, which these ones aren't bad. They're actually already Mahle filters, but obviously we've been to Moab, Sand Hollow in the last 2 weeks. So you'll take your new cabin air filters. Basically, you want to make sure the air is flowing the correct way. The little arrow, air flows up. You basically tuck them back inside. Super easy. Check the arrow just to make sure. Air up, slides right in. Okay. Once both cabin filters are in place, put the little lock back down, make sure that's in place. What I do, just make sure the air's, check the airflow. Yep. Turn it on to outside air, close it. Perfect. Check again. Sucking air right through the filter. Good to go. Close that. Basically, 2 tongs on the bottom, lift up, and done. Closed, ready to go. So it's easy to replace cabin air filters. If you want that nice, non-dusted smell in your car, put Mahle air filters in them. The cabin filter is a huge game changer when you're in the Jeep for long periods of time and don't want that dust scent. Thank you for watching. Now, comment below, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here, watch more videos here. Thank you guys.